Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up your taxes on Shopify. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to open up my computer browser and head on to the Shopify website. That is www.shopify.com, and as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Now to actually set up your taxes, this is a little bit of complicated, so make sure to follow the steps and listen and watch the video. So first, I'm gonna go to my settings right over here and head on to taxes and duties. So as you can see right here, it says you're not charging taxes on some product variants. So make sure all your taxable variants are set up to charge taxes. So if you want to edit your taxes on your variants, just click on edit variants right here, but I'm not gonna show you how to do that because this video is all about setting your taxes. So I'm going to show you how to do this in the next video, but for now I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your taxes. Now first is to manage sales tax collection. So if you haven't already created a shipping zone in the regions you're liable in, then find the region in the list and select it and to manage its tax settings. If you're unsure about it, where you're liable, check with a tax professional. So I highly suggest to check with a tax professional first before charging some taxes. But for now, we'll just do our best to actually show you what we can actually do. Now first, select a country or region where you want to start collecting taxes. So first, I'm gonna go to drop down right here, and let's just say we will collect from the United States. And next is, as you can see right here under manage tax collection, we have states you're collecting in. So once you determine where you're liable, register for collection in those states. Then come back here to start collecting states from a customer. So if you're already sure with that, just hit on start collecting right here, and of course select a state that you actually want to collect sales tax. So for now, let's just say we will be collecting in California. Now the sales tax ID, this varies on different states right here. So let's just search for what is the sales tax ID in California. Let's just search sales tax ID in California. So for now, we'll just search for what is the sales tax ID in California. About here. So as you can see right here, this is the sales tax ID in California. So I'm just going to select collect sales tax right about there. And as you can see right here, you are collecting sales tax in California. So as you can see, these are the regions you are collecting in. So you can actually collect more sales tax on different regions. So make sure just to enter the correct sales tax ID right about there. So next is the tax rates and exemptions. So these are the shipping overrides. So set custom tax rates for shipping destinations. So what is gonna be doing right here is, for example, we will gonna add shipping override to California, and let's just say 10% of that we will charge that. So I'm just gonna add override. So what this means is, for example, you have a shipping fee of around, let's say $30. So 10% of the $30 will be added to the shipping fee. So for example, right here, what is 10% of 30? So as you can see, it is $3. So overall, the shipping fee will cost you around $33 because we have added the shipping override right here. So next is a product override. Now what this simply means is, if you have a product that says around valued at $50, and once you add a product override, let's just say let's add a tax rate for $15, and you can actually filter the item which you want to add some product override. So for now, I'm just not going to do that, so let's just select add override right here. So once you have done that, for example, you have a 50% product that is valued at. So we have set 15% right here, and the 50%, let's just say, what is 15% of 50? So as you can see, it's 7.5. So once a potential customer will buy that certain product, he or she will be paying $57.50 because we have set it up 15% of product override right here. And lastly is the tax report. So to do that, you just go to tax reports right here, and this will show how many taxes have you collected all in all in your Shopify store. So as you can see right here, I don't have a some product tax reports because I still haven't created it yet, or I still haven't sold anything yet. Now, to actually add that certain product or a certain tax to your product, so for example right here, if you want to add some taxes right here, automatically it will be added to your product. So for example, this 800 ml anti-gravity humidifier cost around, let's say, this costs around $6 right here. So once we have set it up our taxes on regarding how much we want to set up. So for example, we have set it up for a 15%. So what is 50% of 6? So it says 0.9. So automatically this type of product will be added to 0.9 cents dollars right about there. So you don't have to worry about how to add the tax to your products because it will be automatically added to the product that you are currently selling. So once you have done that, you can now actually to go to duties and import taxes, so help international customers avoid unexpected fees. So you will need to upgrade to advanced Shopify to collect duties and import taxes at checkout for countries and region. So right about here is to decide how tax is charged. So you can actually manage how taxes are charged shown in your store. So for a summary of your taxes collected. So if you want to include tax price, this is where we can actually automatically add the tax into our price product. You can actually do that, or you can actually charge tax on shipping rates, or you can actually charge value added tax on digital goods. So it's all up to you how you want to decide how tax is charged. So it's all up to you. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!